Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Dre. We're about to check out LNGSHOT's Saucin. Now, this is not my first time checking out LNGSHOT. I watched their performance of Saucin at the MMA Awards, Melon Music Awards. Well, during J Park's set, J Park introduced LNGSHOT in the most epic way you could. Oh shit, not him talking his shit. Not him talking his shit. Hold up. His set was so fire, by the way. Shout out to Cha-Cha. Saw him over there. That's crazy. He shot all of Higher Music over there, too. Form Purge. Go check it out. I have my reaction up right now for free on my Patreon. Link in the description if you want to check out that reaction over there. But without further ado, let's check out LNGSHOT. Now, LNGSHOT's been in the limelight a little bit here and there, just because of the pictures that's been posted. By the way, there's a song called Backseat, right? That shit sound fire, by the way. Hold up. What the hell? What is this? What the hell is this? All right, y'all. LNGSHOT, Saucin. Let's get it. Let's go. This music video looks kind of crazy, just based off. What is that mustache? Who is this? Ew. Ew. What are you eating? Chicken? Oh.
LNGSHOT, huh? This is LNGSHOT.
Oh, you let yourself go, Jay. Damn. Damn, what the pot belly at, bro? I shouldn't be talking. I got a little belly myself. You know what I'm saying? But no. You know what? If Jay was ever this big, he would still take off his shirt.
This is a LNGSHOT.
God damn.
How dare you put up your middle finger?
Oh.
Our revenue is down 95%.
95?
Don't make me a song like the Starter Boys and don't come back into you.
That was a diabolical shot.
Don't make me a song like the Starter Boys.
Ew. With your greasy ass? Hell nah.
You guys are idols. There's no dating.
Now you eating the fry.
And one more thing. Bitch, yeah.
Oh my god. LNGSHOT for show? Okay. Let's see this.
Get back out of the
What an interesting edited video already. What? Damn. Hey. Sauce be in my blood. Got me bouncing. Hey. Oh, you already flexing, yo. Okay. No bitch. Hey. DIE. Oh shit! Hold on, my headphone. Damn, they got me effed up, bro. They got me effed up. They got me lit. Let's go. I like that there's like 4 members too. What's up, Optimus Prime? Damn. My blood. Ooh. Michelin in this thing. Just be in my blood. Hey. Damn, Jay.
To the studio where we made a banger on Roger style. Beating off shot my bull gosh, my brother switch back shot prime time.
Okay.
Under a hurricane, I feel like God. Ooh. Pass it, my life, mid and night get present. Don't be so
yeah,
let's get it. Me and my team act only.
Okay. Oh, again. They do. Nah, J Park's funny, bro. Look at this guy. Look at him. That mustache though. Damn, what the hell you do that? How you put that card like that? Oh. Hey! Hey, 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 hey! Oh, the corgi! This reminds me of that Kanye West and Lil Pump when they were like, I forgot the song though, but let's go. What the fuck? Sauce me in my blood, sauce me in my blood, ayy. Sauce me in my blood, sauce me in my blood, ayy. Sauce me in my blood, sauce me in my blood. That shit fire. Great debut. Oh wait, I feel like I know that direct. I feel like I've seen. No, maybe I don't know. Produced by Ambience. This looks fun to shoot. This looks like a fun time. What the? Yeah, he look pregnant. Hey, he getting it though. Rub the belly for some good luck. Hey, hey. He's stupid for this. Let's go. Sauce me in my blood. Sauce me in my blood. Hey, hey. Hey, you good? What is even happening, yo? Ooh, off the bat. I kind of like the music video more than the performance too. Well, I guess I get to hear the audio more clear, the instrumental more clear in the studio music video version, because the performance, so much that was happening, and you know, audio engineering and the award shows are not always the best, but this got me to appreciate the song a lot more because they can perform too.
We out. Peace.
We out. Peace. They put the in the peace.
What? Where are you going? Get back out of the.
And he sold that role. Let's go. Sauce me in my blood. Sauce me in my blood. Hey, hey. Sauce me in my blood. Sauce me in my blood. Hey, hey. Sauce me in my blood. Sauce me in my blood. Hey, hey. Sauce me in my blood. Sauce me in my blood. Hey, hey. Sauce me in my blood. Sauce me in my blood. Hey, hey. Sauce me in my blood. Sauce me in my blood. Then he crashed into the set too. Just realized that. In his this boy a fool. This shot right here is crazy. Not the drifting part. This hanging upside down with it, bruh. Crazy work. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Go give this video some love. Shout out J Park. Shout out Long Shot. Shout out More Vision. Let's get it. Again, I checked out J Park's performance on my Patreon. It's free. Go check it out. Just all you gotta do is follow the Patreon. All right, y'all. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Saucin in my blood. Saucin in my blood.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.